I am a project manager for that MNC company. I am handling all their projects in India, and our clients are Reliance, L&T. um, it actually, PMP helps to simplify the project for you. It helps you how you can simplify the project execution. It actually, help you to understand the critical activities, the procurement purpose, the critical resources, on that manner, how to handle the stakeholders in your project, because everything is very linked to each other. You cannot only focus on the delivery part or the cost saving part or only the stakeholders. Departments are linked together, and we have to proceed keeping everyone together, and then only we can achieve a good results as far as the project management is concerned. I would like to thank Abhijit sir for giving me this opportunity to get connected with so many people, and of course, teaching me the PMP concepts, helping me through the process, and securing the PMP certification. And not only myself, but I think I have recommended more than 15 of my colleagues, my
Yeah.
friends,
Yes.
and everyone has cleared the exam at first attempt, and they have got a better job. So the question what actually Abhijit sir was addressing, they actually got better job, better salary. Two of my friends actually could travel to France to secure MBA after doing the PMP. So everyone was very much thankful to me also for recommending Big Bang Consultancy to complete this PMP certification. So let me just take you all through the experience, how I got to know about PMP and Big Bang Consultancy. I was working in Godrej as a shop floor engineer, and that time in many review meetings, actually, we, every time we come to this phrase that this is not my job, I'm not supposed to do this activity, this is his responsibility, this is his work. And then at the end, that project was actually suffering so much. So that time I actually got opportunity to get transfer in project department, and I was still thinking that how I can fix this issue as quick as possible. That time my colleague suggested about this PMP certification, and while surfing it through Google, I came to know about Big Bang Consultancy. I met Abhijit sir in Thane, and within 5 or 10 minutes, actually, I got connected with Abhijit sir. He himself has a huge experience of manufacturing, and he has implemented PMP in his project. So I was quite sure that okay, this is the course what I wanted to do. Through the course, he actually explained that every concept, how we can implement that in our day-to-day activity. Many courses we'll just attend, and we'll take out the notes, and we'll read it again and again, and then we'll appear for exam. Basically a mindset. You have to understand every concept properly. You have to see how you can implement that every concept on your own project, and that's how you're going to understand the main importance of PMP. Believe me guys, after completing this project, after completing this course, I could actually manage, to broke down the total critical activities into small parts. That is a work breakdown structure. I could actually manage to appoint specific engineers for those specific activities, and it actually helped me to complete the project in a better way. I actually, went on implementing those concepts over a period of time. And one day in 2017, one client noticed me. He offered me a job in his company, and that one day he offered me a salary which was almost double to the salary what I was earning at that time. PMP actually changed my life.